Bing bong. Wilson, please report to the depot. Come on, Wilson. Chugga, chugga, Chuggington.
These bananas were delivered here by mistake, and I don't know where to send them.
Who would need that many bananas?
Monkeys?
Good thinking. I'll take them to the safari park right away. Wheels to the rails! Delivery complete.
Thanks, Wilson.
The monkeys were really happy.
Wilson, I ordered 30 bananas for my fantastic banana splits. Have you seen them?
Uh-oh.
Back into clickety-clacks. So sorry. 8, 9. I'll get you another one soon. That's all 30 bananas.
Now that's what I call a bellissima banana split. I can't believe you got almost all my bananas back.
Almost all?
See, I'm only missing one.
That's strange. I'm sure I got all the...
Mystery solved.